In this video, we will do step 6 of our Penguin Pocket Pal project. In this step, we're going to stuff our penguin. The stuffing that you have provided is a wool, and it gets a little compressed in the bag that it came in. So you can pick the wool apart a little bit like I'm doing here in the video. Kind of want to just gently pull it apart and fluff it up so that whenever you put it into your project, you can shape it into the places where it needs to be. Now I'm going to open up the little gap that I left in the bottom of my penguin. And I'm going to take just a little bit of stuffing at a time. And I'm going to push it as far away as I can. So right up there into the head of the penguin. When you're stuffing, you want to go from the furthest point out back towards the opening. So I'm going to fill the spaces that are the furthest away first, the very tip of the penguin's head. And I'm just going to add a little at a time. I'm going to go ahead and pick those fibers apart before I add them into the penguin. I'm going to stuff pretty firmly. I want the fiber to be in all the different little corners and edges, and I think wool kind of compresses over time, so if you stuff it kind of firmly, those fibers will kind of push together more over time, and you'll end up with just the right amount. So I'm going to go ahead and work my way from the head. I'm going to shape it the way that I think looks nice before I move down to the neck and then to the body. As you can see, where we put our stitches on the penguin's arms, it's not allowing that stuffing to go into the penguin's arms or wings, and so they stay bendable. I'll just continue adding more and more. Filling up the space and pushing in the batting into all the corners and edges so that he's firmly stuffed. I can squish him around and kind of make sure that he's looking the way that I want him to look. And I've just about gotten him stuffed to the point where I want him to be. And there he is, all finished.